Okay, we're going to do a short, two videos actually, two short videos on how to make Windows 10 more user friendly. One is a lot of people complain about the menu system. So what we're going to do right now though is first get rid of Edge. Edge is the new browser and it's junk. Everybody hates it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make your default browser back to Internet Explorer, and we're going to get rid of Edge in this video. The next video we come up with will be how to make Windows 10 look like Windows 7. So let's get started. First off, we want to go to Settings. So the easiest way is just type in Settings, click on Settings, System is what we want to click on, and we want to go down to Default Apps. And right now I have Internet Explorer. This is what you'll see. Really, it should show the Edge right there. What you want to do is click on that, go to Internet Explorer and click that. Now that you've done that, you'll notice we have Internet Explorer as the default browser. Now, on my task line, I've already got Internet Explorer. So, and I also have Edge to show you how to get rid of it. Here's the way to get rid of it. First off, let's unpin this. And now what we do is, again, we'll go to the search box and put Internet Explorer, and it should pop up. We will right click it and put Pin to Taskbar. Now as we see, it's down here on the taskbar, and we can right click on Edge and unpin it, and it's gone. So you're not going to be using Edge anymore. You're going to be using Internet Explorer. And that's the way it should pop up. So now you don't have to worry about that Edge anymore. Now in the next video, we're going to go ahead and make Windows 10 look like Windows 7. So we'll be back with that next video in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, this is the second in the two-part video where we're going to install a program called Classic Shell. And what this does is it gets rid of the Windows 10 menu system, and it makes it look more like Windows 7. It's real easy to do. It's just one file, download and install, and we'll show you how it works. Go to your Internet Explorer browser. What you want to type in is Classic Shell. The one right at the top is right here. Where we want is the downloads, Classic Shell downloads. And we want the Classic Shell 3.0 English. Or if you have a different language, you can do that. But you want the 3.0 for sure. So click it. And let's save it. Now I've already saved it to my hard drive, so we don't, it should be done with that. So what we do is go down to the Explorer, to Downloads, and what we want is sort it by name, and we want Classic Shell. Here it is, right? Whoop. Here it is, down here. Classic Shell 3.0. That's the one we want. Double click it. Click Next. You want to accept the terms in the agreement. Now, we've already got Explorer on here, so we really don't need two of these functions. So what we want to do is click here and X out the Classic Explorer, and we want to X out Classic IE. Now the next thing we do is just make sure it's Auto Start Menu. Click Next. Install it. We want yes, go ahead and install it. We're finished. We'll close that, close the Explorer. Now if we go down to the Start button and click it, well, what it's going to do is try to open up your, the README file. So just go ahead and close that. Once it gets done, now you'll notice when you come back, now the first time you install this, it may give you an option of what kind of start button you want and that sort of stuff, and just pick the default and click OK. So now that we have everything on a regular Windows 7 type menu, you can still right click down here and do settings and Windows Explorer and that sort of stuff and exit, or you can click here and get the regular shell. Here's your shutdown and the whole 9 yards. So that'll include that today. If you have any questions or anything, I'm going to put my email address, and you can email me and if you have any questions about it. But this is how you get Windows 10 to look like 7 and get rid of that crummy Edge Explorer software. Thanks for watching, guys.